In this video, we are going to solve the following puzzle step by step. Let's say that we have a function f of x, which is equal to 2 times x plus 1. We also have another function called g of x, which is equal to x squared minus 3 times x plus 2. Given these two functions, the puzzle asks the following. Is it true that f of g of 2 is equal to the reverse, g of f of 2? And at this point you can pause the video and see if you can find the solution. Let's first look at the right hand side of this equation, namely this one. Here we first want to calculate f of 2 and then put the result inside of the function g. So what we do is we first find the function f of 2, where x is equal to 2. This is just simply filling in x is equal to 2 in our function f. So we get 2 multiplied by 2 plus 1, which is of course equal to 5. Now we can take this 5 and use it as an input for our function g, meaning that in this case x is equal to 5. What we get is g from 5 is equal to x squared, so it's 5 squared, so it's 25, minus 3 times x, so minus 3 times 5, which is minus 15, plus 2. And if we do this, we simply get 12. Therefore, the right hand side of this equality sign is simply the number 12. Now we want to know whether this is equal to the left hand side. So we compute the left hand side. Here we first want to compute g of 2. So we know g of 2 is simply equal to what we have for g, this quadratic equation, but now for x is equal to 2. So we have x squared, which is 2 squared. So we have 4 minus 3 times x, so minus 3 times 2, which is minus 6, plus 2, which is of course plus 2, and we get 0. Therefore, g of 2 is equal to 0. So this number here inside of our function f is 0. So we need to find the function f of x where x is equal to 0. So let's do that. We have f of 0 is equal to 2 times x, so 2 times 0, which is 0, plus 1. And this, of course, gives us simply 1. Therefore, we find that the left-hand side of this equality sign is simply equal to 1. Now, 1 is obviously not equal to 12, so f of g of 2 is not equal to g of f of 2. Now, something for you to think about is whether you can find functions where this is indeed the case, where swapping them around doesn't change the end outcome. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and I will see you in the next time.